Understanding the importance of a CRM. A CRM stands for Customer Relationship Manager or Management. And there are dozens, hundreds of pieces of software that do this. And really, you just need to find the one that's right for you. If you listen to the podcast, you hear us talk about the one that we use most, and that's Service Fusion. There are a number out there, and there are even several that focus specifically on cleaning. There's one called ZenMaid that I know off the top of my head. So look at those, but really take the time, go into depth. You need one. We can't do anything that we do now without that software. It is mission critical.
Yeah, you're gonna do stuff in here like for example, everything that you did 20 years ago or people did 50 years ago in a service business, they did it on pen and paper and they lost the paper and then it's a horrible customer experience for people. What you wanna do is leverage a system, technology, and you're gonna create a profile for every customer in there. There's gonna be job notes, there's gonna be a calendar and a dispatch board where you can schedule everybody's stuff on there and you can make sure it's all organized and it doesn't get lost and you don't accidentally not show up at the house on the day you're supposed to. Just things like that are really simple, but it's organizing it in a way that it happens automatically. You're automating a lot of the scheduling, the dispatching,
Yes.
like our CRM will send out text messages when we're on the way and after the fact to remind people, hey, we're done. Just all these things that you can build into your customer experience that you just can't do without a system like this.
Yeah,
So
you need one.
get one of these CRMs.
True.